Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Kakatapos ko lang mag-refill guys kasi meron akong delivery. So, meron akong i-unboxing guys. Tadang! Tapos ang laman, tadang! Feeling! Oh. So, meron tayong, hindi pala to unboxing guys. It's unplastic. O may nakalagay pa, attention, take a video. Kindly take a video while opening your parcel. This is going to serve as your evidence upon applying for refund should etc. etc. JNT. Madali lang naman itong buksan. Tada! Hindi ko na kailangan ng gunting, no? Hulaan niya kung ano to, guys. Ay, grabe. Tadang! Ang laki ng lagayan. Fruits and vegetables. Combined dried. So, ngayon, guys, tikman natin to, guys. Tikman natin to. Ooh. Tapos, ito yung okra, oh. Tikman, first time natin kumain ito. Ah, ano kayong lasa nito? Sarap pala. Yun yung okra. Tapos, potato. Wait lang. Lagay muna natin dito.